Happy New Year's. Well, this is actually New Year's Eve. The other day we had a storm, windstorm mostly, a lot of rain, but a windstorm. Colby Dog and myself took a ride around on a side-by-side and we noticed some trees down. So we're gonna go down and cut these trees off, get them off the trail. Hopefully you all get to celebrate Happy New Year's. We have a little thing tonight at the house here. Not much of anything, but I'm gonna go out and maintain these trails real quick. I'll take you along and show you a couple things. Speaking of New Year's, check out that temperature for New Year's. Unbelievable. Western Pennsylvania, over 40 degrees. Mm-hmm.